Hey guys, we're heading into the weekend and I wanted to come on and do a quick transmission to help move things along and just anchor in, breathe a little bit, and open our heart space. So what we're going to do is just sit, breathe in some blue crystalline energy, and just listen to my words as we bring the energy deeper into your body, into a cellular level, and into your blueprint. Har, kia noia hai, koea kietai, shh. Reima moia kai, hiet. Sukoi, staying heart centered here. Suhuiroi rai rore moia hai. Greanai hiete shukoia kai. Moia te shh. Reima maia kia kia, shukohiete shitaya kita moia hai. Riete shh. Hiakite. So just letting you know, just stay focused, stay breathing in your heart energy, stay in the frequency of love, and to not look around at some of the things that are going to move you out of that heart spaced centered energy. Naya kiete shukumanai. We know there's a lot happening. Sakiete moya height. We have not given up. Sokoya kiete shikumoya height. Riate kikiete toya popopikata shikumoyat. Riate shukoya kai shikiat. So for connection, you can just look up. You'll see the light beings, those of you that have activation in your eye. Rupupoyakai, shikite, mohite, shukumoe, arayanai. You'll feel the light energy coming in and anchoring into your heart space. Sukuhoya, kiakiakita, moet, riate. There's many light beings assigned to assist us here on earth. Tutukoya, kiakiate, moyakai, hiahia, moehayate, shikyohikiaki. We just need to look and invite them into the space. Hoya hai arigate shukoya kai. Hoya kai shh. Arayate kikimoe. They're reminding us we are not alone in this. The dayakinai yoto. They are aware that many pieces are coming to the surface at this time. Releasing. Yakietai popopoya hai. Hariyanai, shukoyai, rai, shukoyat, shikiatai, mohoyakai, shu expanding, moya, tuyukoyat, tuyakiatai, just moving through your whole system, shukoy. This energy, shukoi, ariate, and balancing. Ariat. So give that a feel. Let me know in the comments how you received that. If you are feeling energetic, if you're feeling heart-centered, if you're feeling eased and at peace and at quiet. Hopefully this will allow us to sleep a little better at nighttime and just stay focused in our present time. Anyways, guys, hope that helps with your weekend and stay tuned for more. Be sure to follow. Thanks.